Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Kreations. In 2014, I did a blog post on how to create these adorable M&M ornaments, and today I'm going to show you how to create them and get my exclusive SVG file for them. So let's get started. While you're at the craft store, also grab some plastic ornaments, some funnels, and I got some wood skewers and boxes. What for? Let me show you. Now in 2014, I used acrylic paint, but since then we have a brand new medium called Color Pour. This is actually just a pouring medium put in acrylic paint, and it gives you a beautiful consistency. Now I'm using American Crafts Color Pour, but you can make your own using a pouring medium with any acrylic paint. Now start by getting your frustration out and jabbing that chopstick into your box. This is gonna grab all of that paint that drains. Now, this pouring paint is amazing because look at that. You pour a little bit in, you actually use the cap from the Color Pour paint, shake it around, shake what your mama gave you, and then just put it on the chopstick and let it drain. We're gonna do this for each M&M color. So we started with red and now we have orange. And seriously, not kidding, that cap fits perfectly on these plastic ornaments. Shaky, shaky, let it drainy, love them. I've also seen people use glitter, but I wanted a nice, shiny M&M right out of the package. So this Color Pour paint was perfect. Now let's jump ahead to what you're going to need to do next. The next thing is download the SVG file. Now the SVG file is an exclusive perk to the members of the Ken's Kreations channel. So if you are a Ken's Tribe member or above, which is just 99 cents a month, you get this amazing perk and all the future and past SVGs that I've released, plus a lot more. So check down below for the link and for the file. This file is an SVG file and can be used with almost any design program, but we're going to be using it with Cricut Design Space and my Cricut Joy. Since 2014, I've redesigned this file, and one of the things I made sure to do was to give you the circle behind each M&M so you knew what color goes to each face. But you also want to resize these to match the circumference of your ornament. So in my case, 4 inches. I'm gonna hide all of the other ornaments and just work one by one, starting with the red one. One of the big marketing pushes of the Cricut Joy was the fact that it used smart materials. And this is supposed to make your crafting adventure so much easier. However, I ran into a little bit of issues. But the great news is you can still use everyday vinyl from your stash using a Cricut Joy mat. I prepped all my vinyl and followed the Cricut Design Space instructions, loaded the white, black, red, unloaded it, and now it's time for everyone's favorite job, weeding. That's a lie, but still, we have to do it. I'm using my Caesar weeding tool, which does make the job a little easier, getting rid of all of those pieces, and now we get to transfer this. Oh boy. Y'all, I don't know what my issue was on this process. I don't know if it was the transfer tape. I don't know if it was the smart material. I don't know if it was me, Ken's Kreations, but something went wrong. And we're gonna find out soon. But persistent is key, and I just kept working at it until we had all 3 layers of vinyl ready to transfer. Now, I like to layer all of my vinyl on the transfer tape before putting it onto the ornament. This is all user's choice, so do what you like. But for me, I like to layer it first on the transfer tape and then transfer it over to my ornament. When we're ready to transfer it to the ornament, I just use my Cricut Easy Press mat, line it up, transfer it over, and make sure there's no ripples or bubbles. If you do have a ripple or a bubble, use your Caesar weeding tool to very gently pull that up and fix any little issues. We're gonna continue this for every color. So the next color is orange. We're gonna layer just like we did on the red, do the reveal, and look at how adorable he is. These are so cute. Moving on to the blue. Jazzy likes to say this is the one that is always high when you look at his face. I have to agree. Now, I redesigned the green and the brown M&M for this release on these SVGs. They turned out so good, you guys. I love the new SVG. They are so adorable. Now, I will show you in future videos some tips and tricks on how to do vinyl. We have a reverse vinyl weeding, we have a layering vinyl weeding, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave us a comment, so this way you get to see those videos when they come out. And since I know you're already asking yourself this question, yes, this file is available to all of our members of this channel. If you are not a member yet, all you have to do is look down below at the memberships and all of the perks. This perk is part of our Ken's Tribe. It's just 99 cents a month. You get access, of course, to this file and all future files right away, and you can create these adorable M&Ms. Thanks for watching.